We've reduced operating costs by a quarter. Instead of 7 systems, we now run just 1, saving over $125,000 annually on licenses and other expenses. I'm Mike Opliger, CIO of Intercity Group and Executive Board Member.
The Intercity Group is a family-owned company consisting of Colliers Switzerland AG, Hugo Steiner, Wüst and Intercity Vermarktung. I am Chidina Mami, head of the service desk. I've been with the Intercity Group for nearly 10 years.
It's important to us to be large enough to handle complex real estate projects while staying independent and preserving a family-like culture. We operate in multiple real estate markets, and they are very volatile. That's why it's extremely important for us to apply our expertise and have constant access to our data. We rely on fully integrated one-source solutions. That's why we adopted our 100% Microsoft-first strategy. Boss Info enabled us to implement the project in an agile way. With a design-to-cost approach, we achieved maximum results within our set budget. As we follow a modern workplace concept and operate fully in the cloud, we needed a solution and partner just as cloud-focused. Boss Info was the only Microsoft partner to bring the project manager to the very first meeting. They guided us through all the complex topics, always had answers, and you could truly feel that real expertise was there. They implemented Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central for us, including 2 custom-developed modules, as well as standard ones, like the Boss module for VAT, Boss Payment, and the Boss BI Cube.
Customer inquiries related to invoice creation and processing have decreased by around 40% at the service desk. This improvement is largely due to the enhanced efficiency of the Business Central, which allows employees to work more independently and seamlessly without relying on IT support.
Standardization was a top priority, which meant keeping the system lean. With the full range of modules included in the Dynamics 365 Business Central monthly license, we now run a wide range of processes with such efficiency, it really feels like a dream.
One major advantage of using Business Central as a cloud solution in our setup is definitely the ability to access it from anywhere, whether it's from a smartphone, an iPad, or simply a laptop.
We've automated so many processes that we can now manage a greater number of projects with the same number of employees.